Attention residents of Clarks Village and surrounding areas in the state of Wyoming, this is the National Weather Service issuing a tornado warning for your immediate area. A tornado has been spotted and is moving towards your location. The cities of Cheyenne, Laramie, and Casper are also included in this warning. This is not a drill. A tornado is a violent, dangerous storm, capable of causing extensive damage with high-speed winds and flying debris. You are advised to take immediate shelter and protect yourselves from the potential impact. Here are the specific instructions and safety measures to follow. 1. Move to a basement, storm cellar, or the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you do not have a basement, go to a small, interior room on the lowest level, such as a closet or bathroom. 2. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. If possible, get under something sturdy, like a heavy table or desk. 3. Protect your head and body with a pillow, blanket, or mattress. 4. If you are in a mobile home or vehicle, leave it immediately and seek shelter in a nearby, sturdy structure. Do not try to outrun the tornado in your car. Instead, lie flat in a nearby ditch or low-lying area and cover your head with your hands. 5. If you are in a high-rise building, do not use the elevators. Instead, proceed to the lowest floor and interior room or hallway. 6. Stay tuned to local news stations or the National Weather Service for updates and instructions. To repeat, a tornado warning is in effect for Clarks Village and the surrounding areas, including Cheyenne, Laramie, and Casper. Take cover now and stay safe. Remember, a tornado can cause fatalities and severe injuries, so it is crucial to take this warning seriously. This message is brought to you by the Emergency Alert System, in conjunction with the National Weather Service. This is an actual emergency, please do not ignore these warnings. Your safety is our top priority. Upon the conclusion of the tornado threat, an all-clear message will be broadcasted through the Emergency Alert System. Continue to listen for updates and instructions from local authorities. Again, this is a tornado warning for Clarks Village and nearby cities. Seek shelter immediately. Stay safe and stay informed.